back to another video, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Charlotte. Today I have a very exciting video. I feel like I say that every week. However, this video is in collaboration with Friction Free Shaving. They ever so kindly got in touch and asked if they could gift me one of their new razor handles, and I was like, absolutely, I would love to test that out and do an unboxing for you guys. I have it right next to me here, so here's a little sneak peek. Friction Free Shaving are a monthly subscription service of razor heads. You can add shaving cream and post-shaving balm and deodorant and all stuff like that to make your box unique. You can get your first kit for £9, and that includes a free metal luxury handle and a razor cap to protect your razor blades from rust and keeping it nice and dry. And like I said, you can also add on additionals for an extra cost. Friction Free Shaving are extremely flexible. You can change the date of your delivery, you can hold off for a month, you can change the products. So without any further ado, let's just get into the unboxing. So the first thing that jumps out at me is this gorgeous razor handle. This razor handle is metal, so it feels very, very luxurious, and it's heavy. And also underneath it has like a fabric, what do you call it, like a grip. This metal handle is a part of their new spring collection, and this comes in two other colours as well. I think it comes in like a bluey green and a pink. However, I have the lavender one with the pink grip, and look at underneath it says like FFS, I don't know if you can see, like engraved, and you can already tell like right off the bat this is a luxurious, not cheap handle that you can get at the supermarket. And I love that it's personalised as well with the FFS at the bottom, and yet it just really gives that nice luxury feel when it's heavy and metal. So I really like that, first of all. Second thing in the box is the razor blades. Now hold on. Each month you get 4 changeable blades, and this is a 6 blade. And all you do is, I'm going to show you, all you do is take it out of the packaging really carefully and just hold it on the side. You push in this little button on the razor head and it just attaches really easy, like so, like that. And the razor blades actually have the aloe vera strips, which is really nice for when you're shaving. It just creates a more easy sort of smoother texture on your legs, so it glides better. I love how it all matches. I think it's like so cute how the pink matches to this. It's very aesthetic, I love it. Next thing in the box is one of the add-ons, and that is the shaving cream, and this is in the scent Manuka honey and shea butter, and this smells divine. It smells so good. I love cocoa butter because it like reminds me of being on holiday. I don't know why. I feel like it reminds me of like sun cream and the beach and after sun, so I love shea butter. Also with your starter kit you get a free little blade cover. Now what you do is you pop your razor in there like that, and then you close it, and that helps to keep the razor head nice and dry. It also helps to keep it clean, so the blade like lasts longer and is sharper for a longer amount of time. I just think that's a really nice added touch, because I know when I keep my razor in the shower that it's always like wet and damp, so I really like the fact that this can keep it nice and dry. And as well, it came with a little pouch with FFS on, and you can just pop your razor in the pouch like that, and then you can pop it in your bathroom drawer. It doesn't have to stay in the shower where it's wet and not very nice. So yeah, I love that added touch. Also, I just want to mention that Friction Free Shaving are very eco-friendly. They have a blade recycling scheme, and all of their packaging is recyclable. They are very up on saving the environment and stuff like that, so that is like absolutely amazing that when you do have a packaging like this, you can just throw it in your recycling bin and it can be reused again. Also, Friction Free Shaving products are cruelty free, which is something that I admire very much. I think that is absolutely amazing when a brand can be cruelty free. So I'm going to do a little stop here, and I tested out the product earlier in the shower, so I will cut to me shaving my legs in the shower, and I will be back to give my opinion on how it went. Let's go. So I'm going to start by applying the Friction Free Shaving Cream in my hand, and then I'm going to pop a little bit on my leg. I have actually wet my leg in the shower prior, and I also wet the blade as well. I'm just gonna shave my legs in strokes. I'll probably speed this bit up for you because it's quite boring watching me shave my legs. The blade glides on the shaving cream so smoothly. So that shaving cream is definitely moisturising. It really does help with the flexibility and precision of the razor itself. I also noticed that going around sort of the bottom bit of my knee, was really easily. Sometimes I struggle with other razors because they just don't move how I want them to. However, this one moved like a dream. It glided around my kneecaps like no tomorrow. And yeah, I'm done. I'm just gonna pop the razor cap back on and pop it in the little pouch. There we go, nice and cute. Okay, so I'm back. It's been like 2 seconds for me, but a couple of minutes for you. And the first thing I wanted to mention was how smooth this shaving cream is. And I said earlier how excited I was for the smell. After I shaved my legs, I could still smell it on my legs. It was like a moisturizer as well as a shaving cream, so I really love that. And as well, it helped so much when shaving because you can just apply it and then you can do like a strip and you can already see where you've shaved your legs. I would really recommend adding this to your bundle, and I think it's £4 to add monthly. So the first thing that I noticed when I was shaving my legs, that this little head, if I show you really carefully, it like moves back. And it really makes it easy to be like flexible, especially around your knee, and it just helps it move a lot more easier and be more precise. I actually never cut myself, and usually I get a few cuts around my knee because one, I'm not that careful, and two, normal razors, they just don't move. However, this one pushes back and it just makes it so much easier to glide. Another thing I noticed, that the blades on this head were super sharp, so be careful, but that is also a really good thing because it gives you a really nice clean cut. I can't get over how nice like the packaging is and how like comfortable it sits in the hand, especially with that grip underneath. It sits so comfortably, and like I said, when I was going around my knee, it just makes it so easy because I tend to shave my legs in the shower. And obviously the little protector and pouch is just the added bonus. And I think having a monthly subscription service for razor heads is a great idea, because if you're someone like me that tends to like forget to change their razor head and then you shave your leg with an old razor, it just reminds you to change your razor head to keep it clean. I really love that idea. So a big thank you for Friction Free Shaving for sending me over their starter bundle. I am obsessed. I cannot see how I will be going back to a plastic razor bought from the supermarket ever again. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a huge thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more from me. And don't forget to hit the notification button or the little bell, it's like somewhere down here, to get a notification every time I upload so you do not miss a post. I will try and do like 2 videos a week, however, depending on how I am, we will see, but there will definitely be a weekly video every Friday, and maybe the added extra video if I am fit and well. So yeah, definitely subscribe and hit the bell. Follow me on all my social medias, which will be linked in the description, and thank you for watching. I will see you Friday for another video. Bye!